Okay, this is 1080p. It should be better now. Hopefully. God damn it, I can still see some drop frames. Okay, so we were checking out optional. So, okay, so first of all, we need to decide what should go in a function call. So, what does parameter list mean? So, function call has a different parameter list than your average function definition, I guess. So, function call should definitely not have a parameter list. So, I'm going to change that here. So, function call parameter lists. So okay, what is this call parameter list? Okay, it's an optional sequence. So okay, it's a sequence in a way. Yeah, it is a sequence. God damn it, what did I do? So it is a sequence. So it starts with this, yes, and ends with this. And optionally, it will have bunch of stuff separated by comma. So I think okay, repeat, this is what we want. Yeah, a repeat is what we want. Zero or more. I hope that is separated by comma. I mean, I don't know how to add a separator here. So, uh, okay, separator. Well, let's just try now. Repeat. Okay, there's a repeat of definition. Hmm. Okay, so definition might have a functional call as well. Function call, it might have. I mean, shouldn't this have like statement? I don't know. Just keep it this way for now. So. Okay, so this is fine with me, but it should have a call parameter list. Okay, so hmm. Okay, block can have multiple segments, but I think a separator here is a new line. Probably, probably. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. Okay, let me just add repeat anyway here. So it should be a repeat of identifier, I guess. So dollar dot identifier and comma quotes. So I'm gonna generate this and I'm gonna pass this. Okay, it could be an identifier. It could be an identifier, and it could be a literal as well. You know what I mean? Huh. Okay, so what I need is I need a something like a value literal and of course it's a choice. It's a choice. It could be a number. Yes, it could be a number. And it could be a string as well. I guess I need to write something like word, I guess. W plus, I believe. So for now we will consider this situation. System rate parse. Let me just see. Okay, so I'll okay, so functional parameter it's a choice of repeat of, could be an identifier, it could be a value literal. Okay, does this work? It did not. It did not. It did not. So it considers this as an identifier as well. So okay. Okay. So okay, the string so okay, so let's just rewrite it. I'm not really good at writing rejects, so but I'm gonna try. Okay, so it should start with a string. I'm gonna write a escape. Oh, how do I write an escape character? Guess like this, yeah. And it will have a to z z plus and that's it, I guess. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, obviously that did not work. That did not work. So, okay, so I guess I need to write an escape here. I need to escape the string. Escape it here as well. And I need to escape it here as well. Is that the way? Is that the way? That is obviously not the way. Fuck it, I'll just my internet is pretty cooked, honestly. I don't know what happened. I guess because I'm streaming today. Damn it. That is way too slow. That is. Okay, so there is some kind fellow who has a repo of regular expressions. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh my god. Honestly, I don't know what happened to my internet. Shit. That's too bad. Okay, so okay, what's my regular expression? Okay, so uh, 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 uh. Yeah, okay, so it could be this or I mean basically word, right? So yeah, could be anything basically. Okay, so that okay, so this doesn't work, is it? End of a line. This should work, right? So what is wrong? Guess I don't need to do that. Okay, probably I don't need to skip this. Dude, this is literally. Okay. It is a skill issue, definitely, but. Oh my god, okay, unexpected rule expand regex. What? How do I skip this? Okay, so this should hello world. It could be anything, okay? So I don't really care. Whatever's inside the quotes is a string for me. Uh, hmm. Damn it, my skill issue is getting exposed here. uh, whatever, man. Okay, so to search for. Literally matches, man. I'm not getting it. Wait. This said I can use some other regex as well, right? Okay, so I should be able to use this. Mm, mm, mm. This shit is fine. Oh, what am I missing, honestly? I'm gonna look at some of the examples, I guess. There's a URL regex. Dude, what? Oh my god, this is too much for fucking. Sorry for that. Gotta do what you gotta do. Call out the string data. Hmm. What? I think raw string is hash or something. Start was okay. Comment non-listable. Okay, that's a comment. Okay. Hmm. What's up? Am I getting some messages? Although I'm not seeing it. I'm not sure. Okay, what messages really? So what I need is basically a raw string here. So I don't need to escape this. But it's not working without escaping, dude. What? Guess something like this. Okay. So raw string, will that work? No, I don't think so. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, we're gonna take some break and come back to this. Uh, uh, uh. Hmm. Okay, I'm back. Emma. Respectfully, Emma, I think you're a bot, so I'm not gonna reply to you in the chat. You just joined Twitch today. Today. Interesting. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna Google this shit. So let's see if people have something. Tresitter quoted string. Tresitter quoted string rejects. Okay, that's pretty interesting. I should have done that long time ago. So just accepted the defeat to rejects. Oh yeah, this works. Crazy. Okay, so finally we passed our hello world. Claps for that. Although I cheated definitely because I copied things from Stack Overflow, and I clearly have very high reject skill issue. Okay, so a value literal. Great, great. That's good stuff. So okay, so what I need to support as well is definition. Definition is basically sorry, where I'll just write as that. So let and an identifier equal to yes, so then you have a choice. Definitely. Okay, so okay, this could be an identifier, yeah. This could be a function call. Variable declaration, which could be a bloody value literal. Yeah. This could be any of these. So just gonna see if no, it's not gonna fuck up. So I'm gonna add a little bit of stuff here. So let s is equal to f. So this should be able to parse this. It did not. It did not. That's sad. That's sad. Ah, okay, I get it. So because we don't have this here. No, no, okay. Honestly, why do I even have this here? Why do I even have a choice here? It should be a statement, right? Okay. Once you go into the block, you have something like this. Okay, statement is basically what's inside the function. So return statement as well. Ah, damn, I did not generate that, right? So that's what. Okay, that's weird. Okay, this is an identifier. It got that as an identifier. Okay, this whole thing should have been a variable declaration. Give me a minute, I'll be back. Okay, this whole thing should have been a variable declaration. Oh. Ah, okay, I got it. So this needs this here. So that is sorted, I guess. Tresitter need to generate. We got our variable declaration, identifier, value literal, function call. Okay, it's basically parsing some of the things that we need. An expression could be an identifier, a number. A variable declaration is also an expression. So or is it? It is. I don't really know if I've written it like idiomatically. What Tresitter is supposed to do. Okay, so that leave the page. Let's just keep reading. Yeah. Okay, we have used this. We have definitely used this. Sequence we have used. Choice we have used. Repeat we have used. I think, yeah, we have used. Precedence. We have not used. This function can also use a sign like okay. That's great to know. Token, immediate, alias. Oh, probably won't need it. We'll use this later. That's fine. Okay. Yeah, this have not done it really. Yeah, actually, let's just write that. So let's just start with our unary expression. Uh, what do we have really? So sequence. Basically this. Yeah, a choice of sequence. Okay, so okay, so one is this and this identifier. Would it be a it could be a boolean type as well. True and false. Boolean literals. But that's for another day. So we don't have then not I don't think we have anything. No. Okay, not and minus. Ah, yeah, right. Of course. So, other than that, we have binary expression, which is there is a choice here again. It could be a number. So, and of course, we have plus, minus, and I don't want to clutter up my parser, but I don't know how else to do this personally. See, this is my first time writing this shit, okay? So, give me some slack. Okay. Have your multiply and we need a divide as well. Okay, so what else? So yeah, I mean we have like or and I guess that are the. Do we need numbers there? Mostly those would be an identifier or a boolean, but I'm gonna leave boolean for later, probably. So we have or, we have and we need an or and an and. So It's this, and this. I guess that's about it. Binary. If I'm missing something, I'll just check once. Yeah. Parse and flags, of course, of course. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. The that's also an expression if you think about it. Yeah. I missed that. So could be an identifier, could be a literal, whatever. We have mod. Again, it could be a number. Greater than, less than. Than, greater than, or equal to. Less than or equal to. Give me a minute, I'll give a call. Alright, guys, I'll be back. My mic is on now, I guess. My mic is on now, I guess. Yeah, it is definitely. So, okay. Uh, uh, uh. Okay, so we have that. We have star equal to. We have this, so which is it's an could be an identifier, could be a value literal. Again, identifier and a value literal. Yes. Okay. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, all this crap I'll add later, I guess. So let me just generate this. Not Tresitter generate. Tresitter generate. Tresitter. Oh. Okay, so return, it's expecting an expression, so that's why it's not working. You can say it could be an expression, could be an identifier, it could be a value literal. Why did I close that? I don't know. Okay. What function identifier? Return expression identifier. Oh, damn it. Okay, sorry. So I should say okay, so it's trying very hard to come up with an interpretation for that because I had identified here. Okay, so this should work now. Great. Hello world. Yeah, so okay, so this is fine. This works fine. So I wanna see how do I add it to my my new basically. So can I add it? Wait. Let's just read it. Okay. Sentence blah 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 blah. Oh, damn, that's cool. Filter highlight. Okay, I need to add a config.json. Hmm, 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 hmm. Just give me something. Okay, that's fine. Yes, let's just run this. Okay. Uh, 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 okay, let's just open that. What is wrong with that? Okay, so what's the hmm. Alright, let's do that later, I guess. Kinda tired right now. Uh, should we or should we not commit that? That's made by me, obviously. Okay, it's I guess for the bindings, but I don't know if I have to commit that, but I'm gonna commit that. We'll add more stuff into the grammar later, obviously. so we add Tresitter grammar in it. Let's see that. Okay, I pushed it. Just take a look. Technically, I guess I just need this. Why do I care about these bindings, to be honest? I don't. I don't really. This did not add anything. Oh, what? Whatever. Okay, thank you for joining in. Emma, I'm still not gonna reply to your messages, but yeah, this was like an impromptu stream basically because I just wanted to stream. It's been a while. It's been a long while. It's been around 2 months since I streamed. I think last. So I want to get back to daily streaming or daily doing anything on Twitch or something else as well. But let's see. I have an interesting thing coming up. I want to implement some sort of a paper for one of these streams. So I have some stuff in mind. See, this is something I have already implemented. All this limbo. I don't know what is it. I don't think this is sort of an implementable paper. This is like how we did this, that sort of this like a interesting paper, I guess I would say, that we can implement. Let's see, I want to implement this. This is basically nullified like 40 years of belief of how open addressing should work. So this sort of nullified, like, if you know Andrew Yao, he's a Turing Award winner. It basically nullified his beliefs. So this is an interesting paper to implement. I don't know what is that. PDF split order. This is when I was doing lock-free hash map stuff. I don't understand. Honestly, I did not implement this. Yeah, this is an interesting paper to implement, but something for another day, I guess. Oh damn! What happened? Yeah, let's see. So Thank you again for joining in. And it's a good night for me because it's 12 a.m. here. So wherever you are, good something. Thank you. Bye.